Hey there. It's been so long since we met, right? My apologies for that. I wish you happy Republic Day. Let's say you have an idea in your mind and you know how to make it really can. That's all may become true or not. Today we are going to have a quick glance through drafting settings.
For getting the drafting setting dialog box, just type in DS in the command bar and hit enter. Or you can enable it from the menu bar. Tools, here it is. Just one click right away. And even the drop downs present in the status bar helps you to get it. One thing is that choose the best one which fits you. Coming to the settings, we have several tabs in here. First things first, snap and grid. Let's try pressing F9. Observe what happened. Yes, this key allows you to enable the snap mode. Hey, pay attention. I am enabling the snap mode. Try the same thing by disabling it. What's the difference you observed in here? Yes, that's right. When the function key enabled, it traced the grids. When it disabled, it moved freely. Now, try to dimension for this line. Point 5. It is right. Now, it's all because X and Y spacing. You can change them as you like. I'm altering the values and try to point. Note this value and try to move the cursor a bit. What's the new value? Is the value we have assigned, right? If you need both the X and Y values not same, then make sure this box is unchecked. Here we have snap type. Inside it we have grid snap and polar snap. Grid snap has two functions. It can perform rectangular snap and also isometric snap. We have previously done with the rectangular snap. And now select isometric snap. As soon as you click OK, it turns into isometric mode. Also you can specify the snap distance. The only difference is we'll provide the Y snap distance and based on that it automatically calculates the X spacing. Then coming to polar snap, the rectangular snap is not possible to snap in angles. This feature allows you to snap even in angles. Give the polar distance to 2 and click OK. Then set polar track to 15, 30, 45 degrees. Now enable the line command and try drawing lines. You'll observe that it snaps at angles, that to the distance you specify. Really cool option, right? The function key F7 allows you to enable and disable it. Firstly, grid style. Currently the grid style is in line, right? We can get them in dots. Just check in the 2D model space and click OK. It's nice, isn't it? Grid spacing allows you to set the distance between the grids. Let's say X spacing be 2 units and Y spacing be 1 unit. Select the line and draw a line horizontally in X direction and also in Y direction. Also dimension them. We have assigned 2 units for X spacing and 1 unit for Y spacing. This value sets the major line distance. Alter the value and observe. Coming to grid behavior, just uncheck the adapt to grid and try zooming out. At certain point the grid disappears. Now check the box. Do the same, you will get grids even zoomed infinitely. Now uncheck this, allow subdivision below grid spacing and try zooming in. At some point the grid lines started vanishing, right? Now check this box. You'll find the grid lines furthermore. Now uncheck the display grid beyond limits. Try zooming out. The grids are specified only to the limits. If you check this box, you will get grids that doesn't depend on the limits. This function is not available in this version because this is AutoCAD LT. You can use this feature when you have AutoCAD 3D. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.